Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you what we're doing this week. Working on a master drawing, copying of a master drawing. Anyway, this is a copy that I've made of a master drawing, and you can see that I put a grid on a 1/2 inch grid, and then over here I created another 1/2 inch grid, and then I blocked in the basic shape corresponding to where they are in here. So for instance, you count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, and you draw exactly what's in there, or roughly, you get as close as you can to it. And that's the first thing you do. That's the blocking in stage, where you're basically just cutting around the fundamental shapes and putting them where you see them. So for instance, you can see the fingers here are just these shapes that correspond to these shapes over here. I'm not putting in any of this stuff right now. That's actually where the artist made some corrections and so forth with the instrument he was using to draw with. Anyway, so I'm just cutting around shapes. See, I didn't even put in the fingers yet over here, you see. So that's the first thing I want you to do. So put it side by side like this. Make this the exact same size as this so that your grid corresponds exactly to this. You can see how it lines up. If you take a ruler, and run it across, see, that line corresponds with that, etc., etc., etc. Okay, that way it's easier to transfer from here to here. So you're going to make a copy of the drawing and draw the grid across it, or if you can't make a copy, put it in a Word doc or maybe Paint. Anyway, if you have a program where you can draw a grid across it, then you can draw, put your computer, set it up over here somewhere, and then draw from here, Or if you have an iPad, you could do it with that as well. Okay, so that's the first step.